Hello everyone. Today we'll see the demo of Dubsketch. For this demo, I have already prepared my audio script. In the script, I am explaining difference between AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. So let's see how can we use Dubsketch to generate our video from this audio. So first, the dashboard shows basically to say put some audio file here so the processing could start. So once I put the audio file here, it will transcribe and then we can basically generate the timeline. So let's first put the audio. So here is my audio and it is asking me to give some name to this project. So let me give the name as AI only. So I hit create and upload, and it is saying basically it is transcribing. Okay, so now it is transcribed, and we can see here basically in the transcribe we have 221 words, zero action because right now no timeline has been generated or no initial video is generated. So here you can see we have panel, the chat panel, where we can chat with the AI to generate our timeline. So Inish, let's start. Currently, it's showing Ushered as a none. Right now, I'm not using any image or anything. We can use image to be shown in the video. So first of all, let's start with the basic video generation. So I say simple that generate me this video with title artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. So I write it down and then hit send. So now it's basically thinking. So it will take time. It depends upon what's the size of the audio versus the complexity. So let's wait for it to finish generating the first video. Okay, now we can see the timeline is generated now. So we see we had passed to create the initial video with the title this. Now the timeline is updated with 376 action. So that message is gone because now we have the actual video. So let's first start watch the video once and let's see if we want some improvement in the video. Picture one email and three machines that all do the same job. Catch spam. Same job, three ways to build it. Machine one. I write the rules myself. I sit down and type. If it says free money, mark it spam. If it has five links, mark it spam. I thought of every rule. The machine just follow my list. This is plain AI, no learning. It only knows what I typed. Machine 2. I show it examples and I tell what to look at. 10,000 emails, each one already marked spam or not spam. And I say, count the explanation marks, check the sender, count the links. The machine works out how much each one matters. I didn't write the rules, I only choose what to look at. This is machine learning. Machine 3. Same 10,000 emails and I say nothing. I don't point at the links. I don't mention the exclamation mark. It figures out by itself what's worth looking at. This is deep learning. So here's the test. Two questions. Did a human write the rules? No. Then it's at least machine learning. Did a human choose what to look at? No. Then it's deep learning. That's why people draw these as three circles, one inside the another. Each ring, the human hands over more control. Okay, now we have seen the video. Let's see what improvements we want. First thing, I feel like the zoom is way too much. So in the starting, like if I see that, right? So when it is explaining this, the zoom is basically 150%, right? So first thing I would like is to start at a 50% zoomed out wide view, and let's make sure that the zoom never goes beyond 100%. So never let the camera zoom past 100%. Right? Second thing I would like is yeah, when basically the email this email is feed to all the three machines, right? So I just want an explicit arrow pointing to all three emails. So let's draw arrows from email down to all three machines. What else? So we can also highlight these. So for each of the verdicts, right? So we can highlight this AI or ML with underline. So let's ask that also. Make each machine's verdict tag bigger and underline. Yeah, let's go with these three improvements. So let me send it. So it is working, basically thinking, and it will generate the timeline. It will take some time. So let's wait for it to finish. So our improved timeline or video is generated now. So if you see, the actions have increased from 376 to 389. So let's see if the improvement actually uh, made. So the first thing we had asked is to start with a zoomed out view, right? So let's see, let's go at the starting. Mm, okay, let me rephrase. So yeah, in the starting, yeah, we had asked to start with the 50% zoomed out video, right? So it has performed that and never go beyond 100%. So let's see when it is zooming. Yeah, so when it is zooming, it only went to up to 100%. Next thing we had asked was a explicit arrow. So if we see, we have the arrow on all of the three machines. And the last thing we had asked for a underlying at the verdict, right? So yeah, we see the bigger AI, and now the AI keyword is underlined. Similarly for the ML, similar for the deep learning, yeah, right? So all of our suggestions are applied to the video, right? So this basically, so let's suppose we are happy with the video generated. Now what we want is basically download the video and see it, right? So what we will do is basically click on this render video here. So now it is basically generating the video, which will be downloadable. So you can download it and use it as you like, right? So let's wait for the rendering to be complete. So we can see the rendering of the video is complete, and now the video is downloadable. So we can hit click and it will get downloaded. I have already downloaded this video. Let's see how does it look like. So yeah, this is the video. I have muted it for this demo purpose, but this has the clean same audio. So let's run it. So we can see our AI versus ML versus deep learning explanation video downloaded here. So yeah, I'm just fast forwarding it, but it is exactly same what we have built it here, right? So this completes the demo of Dubsketch. Thank you for watching. Please check the website link below in description and join the waitlist. And please subscribe the channel to stay updated with the development. Thank you.